Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 19, 2023. 4 hour Sudoku. 9th grade. We have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. These cells, it will come in one of the two cells. Column D, value of 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is sent from here. Then 5 is here. Then 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is sent from here. Then 9 is here. First grade, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We'll confirm later. Then second row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 will come in one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, column D, and 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then it is confirmed here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, column G, we have 4. 4th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then second grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th row and 6th row, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G and 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, column B, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 will come in one of the cells. Column C also we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then we can confirm 6 also here. Then column E, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, column B, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, then 9 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. Column D, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then the column D, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. First grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 9. Column H, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then in column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then in column D, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.